You're about to do something. It could be sending an email. It could be making a decision. It could be taking a step you were clear on just a moment ago. At first, it feels straightforward. You know what you want to do, what to say, what to choose. And then you start thinking about it. And now you're not so sure anymore. If you stay with that moment, the shift is actually very clear. At the start, there isn't much noise. You've already landed on something. The email is written. The decision feels obvious. The next step is just the next step. There's a kind of simplicity to it. And then thinking kicks in. Not all at once, more like a layer that builds quickly. You start replaying what you're about to do. You start considering how it might be received. You start adjusting it slightly, then again. And without really noticing when it happened, the initial clarity starts to move further away. Now you're questioning it. Now you're weighing it up. Now you're unsure. This isn't about not knowing, because you already knew. The first response wasn't vague. It wasn't half-formed. It was clear enough for you to move. What changed wasn't the answer. What changed was what got added on top of it. Because once thinking takes over, it doesn't just review the decision. It starts to reshape it. It brings in other angles, other possibilities, other people's potential reactions. It starts to create alternatives that weren't there a moment ago. And suddenly, the thing that felt simple now feels complicated. You can feel yourself pulling away from what you first knew, even if you can't fully explain why. And this happens a lot more often than people actually realize. Small things. An email you were about to send, and now you're rewriting it over and over. A decision you were ready to make. And now you're going back and forth on it. A step you were clear on, and now you've paused, delayed, or stepped away from it entirely. And over time, this creates a kind of confusion that doesn't actually come from not knowing. It comes from layering over what you already knew until you can't feel it as clearly anymore. So it starts to feel like you don't trust yourself. It starts to feel like you're someone who struggles to make decisions. It starts to feel like you need more time, more clarity, more certainty. And yet, if you look closely, the clarity was there at the very beginning. The difficulty isn't in knowing. It's in trusting what comes first before everything else gets added on top of it. And that's the part most people haven't been shown how to stay with. They've learned to think things through. They've learned to analyze, to weigh things up, to consider every angle. They haven't, however, learned how to recognize that first response and stay with it long enough to actually act on it. This is exactly what I go into inside Intuition Pt1. Understanding the difference between what you know and what you start thinking.